Namaste, my name is Divya Nathani. I'm a yoga teacher with the oldest yoga center in the entire world. That's the Yoga Institute, Mumbai. Very often, people get really hassled when they are facing difficult times. We get so depressed with all kinds of pains that we are going through in life. But let's remember that these dualities of life will always exist. Just like day and night keep alternating with each other, exactly in a similar fashion, all extremes in life will keep coming and going. Change is the only constant, and we must try to remember the famous line, how much ever cliched it may sound, that this too shall pass. The only thing that is going to remain permanently in our life is change. So is the case with extreme pleasure and pain. Very often, we only want pleasures in life to continue. We try and avoid pain and difficult times as much as possible. But let's remember that these pains and sufferings and difficult times that look like really impossible to deal with initially, they also are a very essential part of our evolution, of our growth in life. A Sthitaprajna person, as explained in the Bhagavad Gita, a person who does not get affected, which in effect means who continues to stay on the path of duty without getting affected by these external situations, is a person who can be called Sthitaprajna. Maharshi Patanjali explains in his Yoga Sutras that yoga is our ability to maintain a balanced state of mind. Currently, most of us remain at a state where little bit of problem and we start going towards depression. Little bit of happiness and we go in a state of ecstasy. So whatever is the external condition, we have to learn how not to get affected by these external conditions, how to get connected with our internal self, how to maintain a balanced state of mind, how to remain calm and happy and healthy despite these external situations. A simple technique which can help us get there is called Anitya Bhavana. The word Anitya means that which is not permanent. Nitya means permanent, and when you prefix A with that, it means that which is not. So Anitya Bhavana is a state which reminds us that everything in life is ever so changeful. The only permanent thing is change after all. To be able to practice Anitya Bhavana for beginners, we suggest that at the end of the day, try and sit with your eyes closed and reflect on everything that happened all through the day. Try to recall without forming an opinion whether it was good or bad. Try to simply recall the day. And when you do this every single day, with regularity, you will start noticing that whatever felt like difficult situation for you eventually changed. Whatever felt like a very good situation, a very happy situation, that too changed. And a repeated practice of this technique reminds us that everything is going to change. Initially, we suggest everybody to practice this at the end of the day. But with regularity, we will see that this starts becoming a part of our nature, and we will remember this theory, this principle in every aspect of our day-to-day living. And that is when we will be able to remember the impermanent nature of life. That is when we will eventually learn to be patient and tolerate whatever looks like a difficult situation, because after all, this too shall pass. Namaskar.